Welcome to Home Styling Design Lab, the course that teaches you how to design your home like a pro. This is a live, online course where you'll learn directly from a professional instructor with real-time guidance and support. Every session is designed to be interactive, allowing you to ask questions, explore ideas, and apply what you learn immediately to your own home. You'll have full access to our student portal, where you can revisit lessons anytime, review tips, and follow along at your own pace. Home Styling Design Lab is not just theory. It's practical, hands-on learning. You'll work on your own home, making changes that bring real, visible results. From choosing the right lighting, exploring textiles, unlocking your creativity, to learning sketching techniques, you'll master the core elements that professional designers use to create beautiful, functional spaces. Throughout the course, you'll also learn about the latest trends in interior design, how to create stylish layouts, and ways to make your home both comfortable and impressive. Every lesson is structured to give you the skills, confidence, and inspiration to transform your space step by step. By the end of the course, you'll know how to style your home like a professional, achieve a look that reflects your personal taste, and enjoy a space that feels complete, cohesive, and inviting. Home Styling Design Lab is your personal design lab, where your home becomes your masterpiece. I would love to talk with you in person and see how you too can live in your dream home today. Leave your contact information, and I'll see you in class.